Hi, welcome to this heart banner tutorial. What you're going to need is you're going to need some scissors, some string, some tape, and then you're going to print out your heart banner template, and then you're going to start cutting it out. And I like to leave a little bit of a white border, but you don't have to when you're cutting yours out. So you're just cutting out all of them. I do all of them first, and here's just like a little time lapse of me going through all of them, cutting them out because it takes a little while. And then you're going to take your string. I just use some regular string. You can use whatever you'd like. And then I got enough that I thought I needed. You can measure like wherever you're going to put it to see how much string you're going to need. And then I like to tie the ends. I'm just doing like a little knot at the end so I can have like a little loop at the end. And then I'm going to take my hearts and then I put tape on the back of each of them. So as you can see, they are attached to the string. So I do this to all of them with about 3 inches in between, but you can choose whatever you'd like. And then at the end, I just cut it again to where it fit, and then I added another loop, just like that, and you can go ahead and hang it up wherever you would like, and hopefully you like that. Thank you for watching.